Hi Mr. David, I'm Natalie and I will be your instructor for this exercise program. We'll be doing the Queen's College test, which is a cardio fitness test. So before we do it, we will need to check your heart rate and your blood pressure. Okay, now we'll be heading down to the fitness corner to do the Queen's College test. Hello, Mr. David. So now we are at the fitness corner and we'll be going to do the Queen's College test. Before we do that, we'll be doing some warm-ups so that we will work our muscles a bit. So I would like you to do 10 jumping jacks and 10 leg to chest raise. So I'll be demonstrating to you first. So one, so this is one. Then this is one for the leg to chest raise. So you do for both legs, for the legs to chest raise. Hello, Mr. David. So now we are at the fitness corner and we'll be doing the Queen's College test. The reason why we are using the chair here instead of using a normal chair is because it's a lot more sturdier and more comfortable compared to a normal chair. So I'll be demonstrating to you how we do the college step-up test. Before I do that, I will need to explain to you how this is beneficial for you. So firstly, when you step up, it will work your hamstrings here, as well as your glutes and your quadriceps here. Yeah. Okay. So I'll be demonstrating to you now. So what you do is make sure you step in the middle of the chair instead of at the sides. So when you step up, you make sure that your arms are not rounded and you ensure that you are always looking straight at all times. Okay. Then you step down. And make sure you do a full hip extension instead of half hip. Yeah, you can try out 2 times first before. So before you do it, I just need to tell you that this whole process is 3 minutes long, and I'll be timing you. And I would like you to breathe naturally when you're doing it instead of breathing too hard. So now I'll be timing you for 3 minutes. Ready? And go. How to do it at a normal pace that you can do. Don't need to slow down. Do it as fast as you can, so that it will keep your adrenaline going. Try to step fully into the middle. Towards the middle. Make sure you breathe normally. It's been 10 minutes since the end of the exercise of the Queen's College test. So I will be checking your heart rate and blood pressure now to see if the differences between your blood pressure and heart rate just now before the test and now at the end. So after comparing the heart rate and everything, you also allow me to better write your plan, your training plan, just to know how different you are after each exercise, to know what intensity you can actually do. Thank you. So now we'll be reviewing your Queen's College step-up test after you did it just now. So from here, I just wrote down your details. Okay, so just now, before we did the test, we actually checked your heart rate. So it was 80. Okay, then your blood pressure was 123 for systolic, then 82 for diastolic. Then after the test, we took the heart rate and it was 100. Okay, then for the heart rate after resting for 10 minutes was 83. Then your blood pressure after resting was 125 for systolic and 85 for diastolic. Okay, so to actually check that you have actually reached a certain percentile, I use the VO2 max. Okay, so this is the whole equation. So you got 69.33 for your VO2 max. So it's actually in a superior level, okay, which is actually higher, which the superior level is 45.3, which actually you see here you got actually higher than that. Okay, so what I think it will be good for you is try to maintain your performance, okay, or you can actually improve or increase your intensity of the exercises. Okay, so your fitness category was actually the 100th percentile of the population, okay, as is above the 90th percentile. So if you look here, right, just now I explained to you that you want the superior chart, which is over here, you should be above 45.3, which that's why I say that you were in the superior level. Yeah, so that's all for your college test results. Yeah. So after that, later on I'll be still telling you an alternative test you can do, even though you have done well, just in case you want to try and challenge yourself to improve your cardio fitness. Yeah.
Okay.
So earlier we reviewed your Queen's College step-up test results. Even though you are in the 100th percentile and your VO2 max is at a superior level, I would like to give you an alternative test you can do just in case you want to try out other types of cardiorespiratory fitness. So I will not be able to demonstrate this to you since you just need to do it on your own. So what you'll be doing is it's called a top walk test. Okay, so you'll be walking for 1.6 miles, which is about 2.6 kilometers. You can do it in the park or anywhere that has long distances. So what you'll do is before you do the test, you'll check assess your blood pressure and your heart rate. Then when you start walking, press your stopwatch and walk and see how long you can walk for. Then after the exercise itself, you check your blood pressure and your heart rate again. Then you compare with them with your one that you did before and